Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox latest version. So if you have Google Chrome already installed in your computer, so just log on and just go to the google.com, www.google.com, and here's the Google search engine. And now you can search for, if you want to just go to their website and download the latest version. So it's okay, Mozilla Firefox, mozilla.org, like this, and you can search it out. If you want search on the Google, then you can do that. Here is the website, the official website, Firefox download, its latest version. And the second one, you just Mozilla Firefox. Okay, the first one, anything, and just click on it. And here you need to check the Mozilla Firefox. First link is Mozilla Firefox official website, where you can just go and download it. So here we get the browser that protects that important and etc, so you just want to read out, just read out, other than just Firefox download. Your download should begin automatically. Don't okay, it's okay. So Firefox installer 1 is already okay, downloaded. So just click here, or if you can't see this downloading tab here on the bottom of this page, other than you go to the download page, download folder in your computer, other than just click here and install it. Do you want to allow this application to make changes? Yes, I am. Then wait, and then here we have something, Firefox has been installed. Okay, restore the default. No, right now just I want to reinstall because I had, and I just uninstalled to show you guys how to install Mozilla Firefox. It's time, it's take a few minutes now installing. So it's going to install. Firefox is a very good browser, it's security in the security perspective, all things is. So right now at this time it's Windows 10, Windows, any kind of Windows. Okay, any window you just download and install. Okay, so you can see now it's make Firefox your primary browser. If you want it, just make this primary, other than just not now. I don't want to make this browser right now primary browser, so I just click on not now, and now it's okay, it's properly installed, and you can do anything. You can search here anything for your browser. So just go here and then just write like you do on Google Chrome or any other browser, then just search it out. You can see here the Google and YouTube. If you want to go to the YouTube, okay, youtube.com, and you can see YouTube, and it's fast and easy. You can search, you can do all things on the Google Chrome. So this is browser and all that. So if you want to make settings, so you can here you can click on the setting button here and make it personalized. Like I go to the shortcuts, you want recent activities, you want to select the content or not, manage other setting, more settings. You can go here in the home page. If you want to select any URL, any page as a home page, like www.google.com, it's okay, or maybe Mozilla Firefox, anything you want, make it home page. And web search, no, yes, shortcut, and all that. Privacy and settings, privacy and security. So here you can make your unnecessary settings and changes anytime. All this you can read out, it's very easy to understand and everything. So here we have a latest version of this browser. So more setting, if you would like to check the more setting and everything, you can here go for the help, and then about the Firefox, click here. Now you can see it's the latest one. Okay, it's 96.00 and it's 64-bit for Windows. So you can even check the latest version on here, and then just it's okay. So thank you, hope so you enjoy and like this video. So if you have any question, any query you want to ask, just comment. Thank you very much.